The earliest instances of software development efforts were solo developers that were able to keep the problem domain, solution, implementation, and deployment practices all in their heads. With the emergence of COBOL enabling more developers, as well as more complicated and expansive requirements, the need arose for software development teams to form. The SDLC embraced by organizations continued to be the waterfall approach, but a key difference was the introduction of specialization. We now have analysts, architects, developers, testers, and folks working in operations. There were several assumptions underlying the execution of the software SDLC approach. The first assumption was specialization and phase gates would optimize the throughput of the system. They also assumed that managing for 100% resource utilization would drive greater productivity. Written requirements would be complete and correct before proceeding downstream. And written requirements would be read and understood within downstream SDLC phases. And the final assumption was requirements determined up front would not change throughout the SDLC. But as technology advanced and domain requirements continued to grow, none of these assumptions held true. Project management was introduced to manage schedules and budgets, but eventually became the dominant local optima. Delivering according to the timeline and budget of a project plan became more important than delivering value to the customer.